Hi, my name is Julia, and I had all on 6. I had a tooth that was in the roof of my mouth, and when I graduated from high school, I had the tooth removed and they put in a bridge. The bridge wore great, but it was really getting loose. Then I had 2 teeth on this side and 2 teeth on this side in the back that were starting to get loose. And then the one got cavities in it. And so I come to Dr. Mike and ask him if he could help me with this. I didn't want dentures because I had dentures for the 2 back teeth that were missing, and all that stuff in the roof of my mouth, it caused me to gag. I just hated it.
Julia came in with an upper denture. She had a few teeth on the upper, but it was an upper denture that was held in just with those few teeth that she absolutely hated. It was uncomfortable. She couldn't eat with it. She couldn't eat the things that she wanted to eat. And it was getting loose and falling out. And so it just didn't look very good. And she was, self-conscious about her smile. So we sat down and we came up with a game plan for her. We took our 3D cone beam imaging and we decided that the few remaining teeth were no good.
I knew dentures wasn't the way I wanted to go. That was probably the best I could afford, but I was trying to get away from the partial, and I knew if I let him remove all the teeth, then my other option was gonna be dentures or implants. And he reviewed it with me and took x-rays and stuff and explained to me and give me the pricing, and I was just amazed with the pricing. So 2 months later, I was having all my teeth pulled out.
We got a whole new set of teeth on those implants, and the cool thing about Julia's case, which we often try to do with a lot of our implant cases now, is that we actually did it in 3 weeks. From the time the teeth were taken out to the time the implants were put in, to the 3 weeks later, she had her final set of teeth.
When you take all the things that I was experiencing before I had it done, and then I measured the cost and the discomfort and all of that, and this to me was just a better way to go. And I'm so happy I did it. I just couldn't believe the difference. It just was awesome. I was just so shocked.
Her result is just awesome. She's got a brand new smile, she's loving it, and she's actually looking forward to doing the bottom teeth pretty soon too. So, turned out great.
I would definitely recommend Dr. Mike, because he done me a world of difference, and I have been just ecstatic over it. I actually felt like I had a pretty smile for a change that I'd never had before, and I'm still getting used to it because I'm not used to smiling and letting my teeth show. But now I don't have anything to be ashamed of. So if they show, that's great. If they don't show, that's okay too. But I'm not embarrassed anymore, and I'm lucky that I got to do it.